In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Driffle subscription step by step. Whether you've finished using the service, want to stop future charges, or you simply want to manage your subscription better, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Driffle website or app. Once you're there, look for the sign-in option and log into your Driffle account using your details. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any steps. After signing in, click on your profile icon, usually located at the top corner of the screen, and select the Help Center from the menu. Next, click on the Payments and Refunds section. You'll see several options that help you manage billing issues and subscription-related requests. From there, select the option labeled Others. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually simple and easy to complete, so there's nothing complicated to worry about. Once you've completed these steps, enter your Driffle order ID and clearly describe the issue you're facing or mention that you want to cancel your subscription. After that, enter your email address and tap on Create Ticket. You should now be able to submit your cancellation request without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to keep a copy of your order details and confirmation email for reference, just in case you need to follow up later. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to cancel your Driffle subscription easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.